students, we are discussing the first lesson. So after conclusion of the lesson, we need to practice some map pointing. So these are the main map pointings in that first lesson. They are not only useful to the first lesson but also the remaining lessons. These locations are very important. Once you look this map, I said about Himalayas. What are the Himalayas ranges? What are the peaks here? This is K2 peak. This is Karakoram range, Nanga Prabhat, Jaskar. This is Kanchenjunga. What is this? Kanchenjunga. So I said the lesson about Himalayas, Patkai, Bham Hills, Jaintia Hills, and also Chota Nagpur Plateau, Malwa Plateau. I said about one desert. What is the desert? Thar Desert. It is also known as Indian Desert. These are Aravalli range. Old folded mountains in the world, Aravalli. Young folded mountains, Himalayas. Next one. Look this. These are the Western Ghats. What these are? Western Ghats. Here one peak, Anaimudi peak. What is that peak? Anaimudi. Some hills also here, Kadmam Hills. What are the hills? Kadmam Hills. Next one. Look at this. Tropic of Cancer passing through our country. Tropic of Cancer. What is that? Tropic of Cancer. It is passing through Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram, etc. Next, India is our country capital, Delhi. What is that? Delhi. Next one, here mentioned latitudinal extent, longitudinal extent. I said in that lesson. Next, these are Bay of Bengal. In this Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are there. In that Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Barren and Narkondam, volcanic island. Next, these are Lakshadweeps. What are these? Lakshadweeps. Between India and Pakistan, one strait is there between India and Pakistan. Pak Strait. What is that? Pak Strait. Pakistan is different. Pak Strait is different. Pakistan is one of the country, our neighboring country. This is Pak Strait. So don't confuse here. Next one. What is the length of our India from north to south? 3,214 kilometers. From west to east, 2,933 kilometers. Next one. Indian Standard Meridian Time, IST, 82.5 degree east longitude. This is IST. It is what? IST. Next to, here some neighboring countries mentioned. Look at, this is Pakistan, this is Nepal, this is Bhutan, this is Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and China. So these are our neighboring countries of our India. What are that? Neighboring countries of our India. Next to Bangladesh. It is also our neighboring country. Why we need to learn about this Bangladesh. It is already mentioned in the upcoming lessons in history. Bangladesh formed in 1971. It is one of the country. Next, Brahmaputra river. What is this river? Brahmaputra river. Himalayan rivers, three important. The three rivers we know already. Indus river, Ganga river and Brahmaputra river. Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra river. So this is Brahmaputra river. Next one, here in South India, these two rivers are very, very important. What are the two rivers? Godavari river, Krishna river, Godavari and Krishna. So these three rivers very important in South India. These two rivers are important. Keep in mind. Next one, Himalayas. What are these? Himalayas. When I explained this lesson, I said what is the length of Himalayas? What is the width of Himalayas? Himachal, Shivalik. Himachal, Shivalik. So, Greater Himalayas, Himachal, Shivalik. These are three parallel ranges of Himalayas. North of Greater Himalayas or Himadri, we can find Trans Himalayas. Many glaciers are there in Himadri range. Many are the important three rivers originates from Manas Sarovaram or this area. What are they? Indus river, Ganga river and Brahmaputra river. So now in this map, three parallel ranges of Himalayas: Greater Himalayas, Himachal and Shivalik. Now look at here some locations also important. Nanga Prabhat. So this is the location of Nanga Prabhat. K2 peak, India's highest peak. This is the area. Nanda Devi, this is the area. Dhaulagiri, this is the area. Gauri Shankar, this is. Mount Everest. What is this? Mount Everest. This is the highest peak in the world. Highest peak in India, K2 peak. Second highest peak in India, Kanchenjunga. What is that? Kanchenjunga. Locates in, what is that? Sikkim. It is one of the state of our country. Before Sikkim, this is separate nation, that is Bhutan. Back of Sikkim, this is also separate nation, that is called Nepal. So now Everest peak, Mount Everest locates in Nepal. Listen, some locations here. What are these? These are the hill stations. Simla, Mussoorie, Ranikhet, Nainital. Simla, Mussoorie, Ranikhet, Nainital. These are the hill stations, very famous in India. Now look at this one once. This is Tibetan Plateau. What is that? Tibetan Plateau. In India also, I said three plateaus. What are the three plateaus? Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Deccan Plateau. This is separate plateau, Tibetan Plateau. What is that? Tibetan Plateau. Next, Jayantia Hills. These are the Jaintia hills. Actually, these are the part of Purvanchal. Patkai hills, these Patkai hills, Naga hills, Purvanchal part, these hills are very important. Naga hills, Patkai hills, Manipuri hills. What is that? Manipuri hills, Lusai hills. So these are the hills. They locate in northeast side of our country. Next listen. Look at once this map also. Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Between Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau, we can find Bundelkhand and Bhagelkhand. Bundelkhand, Bhagelkhand. Rajmahal Hills. Rajmahal Hills. These are also very important hills. Rajmahal Hills. Next listen. Some deltas are also there. These deltas are very fertile. Very fertile. Mahanadi Delta. This area is Mahanadi Delta. Godavari Delta. Krishna Delta. Krishna Godavari Delta. Kaveri Delta. What is that? Kaveri Delta. So we have 4 deltas are there in this picture, in this map. What are the deltas? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. These are the 4 deltas. Now students, we discussed about the first lesson, India and relief features. In that, what are the relief features? What is the importance of relief features? I explained to you, and I explained about map pointing. For example, Himalayas. What is the importance of Himalayas? Himalayas are natural barriers. They are stopping the cold winds which are coming from Central Asia. These Himalayas are caused for summer rains. Next one. These Himalayas are very useful to spread monsoons for all our country. These monsoons are due to these monsoons, our country receiving abundant rainfall. So we know 2 types of monsoons. Southwest monsoons, northeast monsoons. Southwest monsoons, northeast monsoons. Next one, what is the importance of Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats? What is the difference between Western coastal plains and Northern coastal plains? What are the islands? These are the islands. So that is our lesson. Students, I hope you understood this lesson. We shall continue the next lesson in the upcoming classes.